Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make this beautiful bracelet from bicones and seed beads. So if you like it and you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and also like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. And this Blue Fairy bracelet is so dainty, and tell me please in the comments, do you want me to make earrings matching this bracelet? By the way, you could do this from round beads. So thank you so much for watching. Now I'm going to start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so for this video what you're going to need are bicones 4mm and 6mm, and how many it depends how long your bracelet you want to be. And you need a clasp of your choice, and here I'm using toggle clasp and jump rings, and one color of seed beads, size 10 beading needle, monofilament that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters, scissors, and I'm using my flat nose pliers to attach my clasp, and I squeeze my monofilament to go through size 10 beading needle. But if you use flat beading thread, fireline or other thread you like, you won't need the pliers. And now I'm going to start by taking about an arm span of thread on my needle, and I'll be back. Okay, and now I have a thread on my needle, and I'm going to start by picking up a bicone, 2 seed beads, then bicone, then 2 seed beads, and a bicone, and 2 seed beads, and a bicone, and 2 seed beads, and I'm going to slide them down. Okay, and here I will make a knot. I'm making a knot by making a loop and going once and second time through the loop I've made, and I'm going to pull. Okay, and now what I want to do is go through the bicone and through one of my seed beads, and I will add just 1 seed bead here. Then again, taking just 1 seed bead and going through the seed bead, through the bicone, and through the following seed bead. Okay, and I will do this 2 more times. Okay, and now this is what I have here, and now I want to make a loop where I will attach my my clasp later. Okay, and I'm going through this silver seed bead, and here at the end where I will make my loop, and I will make it by taking 5 seed beads. Okay, I have my 5 here, and I'm going back in circle through this seed bead, and now I have a circle of 6, and I will go through all of them. Just like that. Okay, and one more time. I want to make this part here really strong, because here is where I will attach my my jump ring and my clasp. And now I flip my work because I prefer to go in this direction. because I'm right-handed. If you prefer, do it the other way. And now I'm going to exit here at the other part of my element, and now I will take 2 seed beads, go back in circle through this one here, and one more time, and now it's time for my 6mm bead bicone. Okay, sliding it down, and here take 2 seed beads, go back through this crystal and through, not through the one you've been through, but to the other one, just like that. Then go back one more time through the first seed bead here, and go here through one of your beads at this side. Okay, and now I need 1 seed bead, going through the silver one here, and I need to add 5 more seed beads. Okay, I have them here, and I'm going through this silver one. Okay, then through the other silver, and I need 5 more. Okay, I have them. Now I'm going through this silver here, and now this is what I have, and I want to go through this one and add 2 silvers, going back through the silver here. Okay, just like that. Then I want to go through those 2 silvers like that, and I want to make again this first element, and I will make it by taking 1 bicone, 2 seed beads, 1 bicone, 2 seed beads, 1 bicone, 2 seed beads, then 1 bicone, and I'm not adding any more seed beads because here I already have 2 added, and I will go in circle through these 2. Okay, then I will go through this bicone and through the next seed bead, and I will add 1 seed bead and go through the bicone and through the following seed bead, pull it, 1 more, going through the bicone and through the seed bead. Okay, and here I need 1 more seed bead, and I'm going through this seed bead, through the bicone and through the following seed bead, just like that. Okay, then I will flip my work because I feel it's easier, and I will go through this seed bead here, then I will go around all of my beads, and I want to exit here at this side. And now I'm taking 2 seed beads, going back through this one here, then through this one, taking just one bicone, sliding it down, then I want 2 more seed beads, and I want to go back through the bicone, just like that. Okay, then I'm going one more time through this middle silver bead, and one more time through this silver and through one of these seed beads here. Just a second to fix my thread. Okay, pulling. Okay, just going out through here, and I'm pulling, and now this is what I have. And here I'm taking one seed bead, going through this one here. Okay, and I need 5 more seed beads. Here are they, and I will go through this silver one here, then through this middle one, through the following seed bead, and then I need 5 more. Okay, and I have my 5, going through this one, and I will start over making this element. But you see, now my thread is almost over, and now in this step I'm going to show you how to cut this thread and add a new one. So in order to do this, I will go through some beads here, and I'm going to make a loop and go once and second time through the loop I've made, and I'm going to pull, and then I'm gonna go through the next seed bead, and I will repeat this, and I will make several more knots, and then I will cut my thread. Okay, and I'm cutting my thread, and now I will put a new thread on my needle, and I will continue adding more and more beads. I will show you how in a minute. Okay, and now I have a new arm span of thread on my needle, and I'm going through this seed bead. I'm pulling, making a loop, and I'm going once, and I'm going a second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling. Now I have my new thread attached. Okay, and I'm going to do this, continue doing this like I did before. If you don't remember how I did it, rewind this video and start from here and repeat those elements until you have length enough for your wrist. And I will do this, and I'll be back to show you how to attach your clasp. Okay, and when I continue beading, this is what I have. And now I need 5 seed beads, and I have them here on my needle, and I'm going back in circle through this seed bead here, and I will turn my work around, and I will go several more times around all of those beads here to reinforce the end of my bracelet. And when I'm ready, I will go through some beads here and I will make a knot. And I will make a knot by making a loop, going once and then going second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling and I'm going one more time through this seed bead, making a loop and going once, going a second time, and I'm pulling. And I will continue doing more and more knots, and then I'll cut my thread and I'll be back to show you how to attach your clasp. Okay guys, and now my bracelet is ready, and in order to attach my clasp, I will take my jump ring, I will open it up with my pliers, I will put it in here, okay, then I will take my clasp and I'm squeezing back, okay. Now this is what I have, and I will repeat this from the other side and my bracelet will be ready. Okay guys, and now my bracelet is ready. So if you like it and you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and also like, share and comment, and I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. And please tell me in the comments, do you want me to make matching earrings to this bracelet? Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.